Look, I know you've been really depressed lately, so I've brought someone over to cheer you up. Right outside this door is a real live furry playmate.
No, I'm not sleeping with your friend Jane again.
Hey, a dog! Oh, hi. Who you gotta admit looks a lot like Jane.
This is the happiest dog in the world. I borrowed him from my friend Wendy. So you can keep him till he cheers you up, and he will cheer you up.
Thanks so much, Phoebe. We are gonna have so much fun. Yes, we are. Oh, not that kind of fun.